But this lighting though is like low-key everything. Just gotta say that. Hey guys, it's your girl Zenric with a K. Hey, welcome to my channel. What's up? I'm your girl. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this beat. Very Valentine, very blushy. Wait, let me lower the brightness. Very blushy kinda vibe that we're going for. I am not discriminating those who are single because I'm single. I mean, that's ironic if I would. I'm kind of losing my mind right now because it's already 10 a.m. and I haven't slept like since yesterday. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to look like a sick bitch, not literally sick because we don't want no corona, sis. If you just want to look good this Valentine's Day, then keep on watching. Bitch, roll the intro.
I was busy thinking about
Okay, so I look like I'm on cocaine right now, but I'm sober. We're gonna be doing our best today to look the absolute most for Valentine's Day, because the last thing that we need for Valentine's is a soft dick. So, ew, my head looks so big. By the way, you guys, I've already did my eyebrows because I just can't be bothered doing it. We're gonna put concealer all over our eyes because we want this makeup to last. My skin literally looks so disgusting right now. I'm sorry. My nail is breaking. So I was like shook when I saw Shakira on Super Bowl, right? La 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 la, bitch. Okay, first things first, we're gonna be taping our eyes. And I'm literally just gonna put that on the tip of my eye and also like at the tip of my brows and like make them connect there. So the eyeshadow palette that we're gonna be using for today is going to be the Modern Renaissance palette because this has a lot of pinks in it. We wanna be using pinks. So first color that we're going to be going with is this one right here. And I'm just gonna be using the brush that it came with because honestly it's good. Amazing. And you guys, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna be so bad at explaining what I'm doing, so this is just a, you know, visual representation of what I'm doing because I'm really bad at explaining. So what are your Valentine's plans? Well, me, I'm just gonna stay at home because she's single again, so that's fun. But like, I want to receive flowers. I want to go on a cute date. And now what we're going to do is we're going to be rubbing the brush to a tissue or something. And we're just going to blend out the edges and like buff it out. You guys, that is just one color. So that really means that you can just do like a bomb as fuck eyeshadow makeup look. You don't really need to use a lot of products. You just need like blending. And that's it. We just gonna be doing the same thing on the other side, hoes. And I know some of y'all bitches be like, oh my gosh, that's too much. Don't worry. This is gonna be a cut crease, so it's gonna be more than this. Love you, sis. Now we're just gonna take this color right here. And I'm just gonna be putting that on the outer corner. Just to deepen the look more. I'm not going to be fully cutting my crease. I just want to do like a very halo spotlight vibe on my eye because my eyes doesn't really look good with like full-on cut crease because I'm Asian. Okay, did I just fuck up? No. You guys, I fucked this eye, but who cares? We're gonna keep going. I'm gonna be taking this white shade right here and I'm gonna be putting that on a flat brush and like put that on the center of my eye like that. My cut crease is literally not good because I'm not a makeup artist, so I have an excuse. But you know, the process is gonna be rough, you know? It's gonna be rough and then it's gonna be beautiful, so just trust the process, y'all. Pink that we used earlier, reapply that on the edges. Perfect. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking this shimmer color right here And we're just gonna be applying that to like the very center of the lid, just so that it catches more light. Okay, did that make a difference? Absolutely not. And see how it made that very like snatched line right there? That's what we want. That's what we want. I'm gonna be starting off by filling my pores with this one. I mean, nobody's trying to look oily for Valentine's, even when you're just alone and single and like depressed. So I only put this on the areas where I feel like I oil a lot, which is like my nose and like mainly of this areas. I did fake tan a little bit, so that's why I'm a little tan. I have an alibi to use a darker foundation now because I have a tan. I'm gonna be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect in the shade number 6. This right here is all of Asia's insecurities combined. Speaking of Asia, by the way, I'm like insanely terrified about the coronavirus. Like, well, I don't even leave my house, but still. Okay, this is probably more tan than my forehead, but who cares? Wow, it looks so tan. Like, this is what I want to look like, honestly. Like, I mean, it still matches my tan though, so. Concealer time with Zenrik. Snatched. Baking with Flashback Mary. I am having anxiety because of how messy my table is right now. Not even kidding. And while you're removing it, like, just set the rest of your face with like the excess powder. This red one right here, it's called Red Ochre. Very romantic and like poetic at the same time, you know what I'm saying? And that's what we need for Valentine's. I'm gonna be stamping it on our eyes, like not even blending it yet. And then once you're done kind of stamping the colors, I'm just gonna be blending that out with like no excess shadow on the brush. Oh my gosh, why did this eye look low-key snap though? Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this brown lip liner that I've been using on my lips, and I'm gonna be using this on my eyes because I want bacteria to go everywhere. So now I'm just gonna be using a brown eyeliner because I want to make my natural brown eyes pop more. So now we're gonna do blush because that's like one of the main part of this video, because we're gonna put on like loads of blush to look so innocent. So yeah, I'm about to drown my face in blush, so don't judge. And we're gonna be using like a very peachy color because we want that. Basically drowning ourselves in blush because who cares at this point. Contouring time. Okay, now I'm going to be using the same liner that I used on my eyes, and I'm going to be using it on my lips this time. If you guys are asking, this one is from Pinksy's collection in the shade... there's no shade name, but it's brown, so yeah. Now the lipstick that we're going to be using is by Revlon. This is the Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade 655 HD. On the last video, I said that I love the 645 forever. This one's a little bit darker and a little more plummer. Perfect for Valentine's. And I'm just gonna be putting that on the center only, like only on the center. That looks so cute. That's so cute. More blush. We need more blush. Alright, we're gonna be using this blush. This one's an old one, but who cares? Time to set our big fat face. Who is she? Mario Badescu, as always. I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna do my outfit, and I'm gonna be right back, bitch. This is it. This is what you get. And I'm wearing a tube, by the way. I'm not naked. My lashes are a little bit wonky. Well, that's because I've already eaten breakfast. I already Facetune photos, and I did the most. You guys love it? So yeah, hope you guys love this video. Like this video, subscribe, share it to your friends or whatever. Follow me on all my social medias. Links will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you on our next video. Have a good Valentine's. Even if you're single, just like me. So yeah, bye.